Oh, sino ang nakinig ng instruction? Who listened to the instruction? In Tagalog, ilagay ang kanang kamay sa kaliwang dibdib. Remember, you're in a Filipino school. So don't be surprised if I am speaking or talking with you in Filipino. Okay. Ready? Magsimula.
Pen. Bayang Magili. Ay, Lupang Hinirang.
Lupang Hinirang. The title.
1.
Bayang Magili.